Cruise ships aren't vacations. They're psychological playgrounds built to empty your wallet. Every deck, drink, and dinner is designed to make you spend without even noticing. But once you understand how the game is played, you can flip the script. These insider hacks don't just save you money, they turn the cruise's own tricks into your biggest advantage. The hidden camera reality. Few talk about this, but many ships now use motion-activated hallway cameras and even door zone sensors. They're sold as safety tech, but they also monitor crowd flow and crew timing. Always close your door fully and avoid leaving personal info or valuables near cabin entrances. For peace of mind, use a simple privacy cover for your laptop and phone cameras. It's not paranoia, it's awareness. You're living in a floating surveillance bubble, whether you know it or not. If you think cameras are unsettling, wait until you learn how they're tracking you in plain sight. The Cruise Tracker Revelation. Here's the final reveal most passengers never realize. Your cruise card isn't just a room key, it's a tracker. That little chip logs every drink you buy, every meal you eat, even where you've been on the ship. They call it a safety feature, but it's also pure marketing gold. The good news? You can use it to your advantage. Those same logs can help prove false charges, track down lost family members, or even show where you were if something goes wrong. And while your card logs every move, the next trick hits your wallet before you even realize it. The drink package illusion. Cruise lines love to sell the unlimited drink package like it's a golden ticket. But here's the catch. To make it worth your money, you'd have to down at least 7 cocktails every single day. Most people don't even come close. That's how they win. They sell the dream, not the drink. The smarter move, pay as you go. You'll likely spend half as much and still enjoy every sip. And here's a secret. Check online before boarding. Pre-cruise discounts or bundle deals can shave off a huge chunk of the cost before you even set sail. Because once you step on board, the real trap isn't the bar, it's the buffet. The buffet trap on day 1. The moment the ship opens, it's chaos. Hundreds of passengers rushing straight to the buffet like airport zombies chasing free food. Plates piled high, food turning cold, elbows flying everywhere. But here's what most people don't know. The main dining room and smaller restaurants are open too, and they're quiet, clean, and calm. While others fight over stale pizza, you can enjoy a plated meal and a stress-free start to your vacation. Here's a pro move. Drop your bags, take a breath, and walk past the madness. Let the crowd chase crumbs while you enjoy class. While everyone's fighting for food, the real mistake happens when you pick the wrong room. The quiet cabin code. Your cabin's location can make or break your cruise. Pick the wrong spot and you'll spend your nights listening to thumping bass from the nightclub below or weights dropping in the gym above. Always avoid rooms under gyms, near elevators, or close to entertainment decks. The best cabins are midship and sandwiched between 2 passenger floors, quiet, steady, and smooth even in rough seas. Here's the hidden move. Call the cruise line before booking and ask specifically for a quiet deck. They won't offer it unless you ask, but when you do, you'll thank yourself later. Even with peace and quiet, privacy is never as secure as you think. The peephole privacy fix. That little peephole on your cabin door, it's not always one way like you think. Some older ships have outdated lenses that can look through from the outside with simple gadgets. Not mistrust, just smart privacy. The fix is easy. Stick a piece of tape or small sticker over it. If you want full peace of mind, grab a portable travel door lock too. It takes seconds to attach and adds an extra layer of safety while you sleep. It's the kind of small precaution that can make your room feel like your own private fortress at sea. But the real danger doesn't peak. It hits hard and fast when air pressure turns deadly. The balcony wind tunnel danger. Here's something most travelers never hear about. Opening your cabin and balcony doors at the same time can turn your room into a wind tunnel. The sudden pressure change can cause doors to slam shut with shocking force. And yes, real injuries have happened. It's not just a myth, even crew members warn about it quietly. The simple rule: never leave both doors open at once. If you're heading out or calling someone over, close one before opening the other. And always warn kids or partners. One careless moment can turn a peaceful view into a painful surprise. And before you even unpack, there's one mistake that can leave your bags lost at sea. The luggage tag survival trick. You'd be surprised how many bags never make it to their cabins, all because of those flimsy paper tags. Between rain, rough handling, and miles of conveyor belts, they'll tear off fast. Half the time, someone's wearing yesterday's clothes waiting for their bag to show up. Don't be that person. Slip your tag into a clear plastic holder or wrap it tight with packing tape before handing it over. And here's your backup plan. Write your name and cabin number on a card inside your suitcase. If the tag vanishes, the crew can still track it down. 2-minute fix saves hours of frustration. Lose your luggage and you'll understand why power becomes your next biggest problem. Power struggle solution. Cruise cabins are cozy, and that's a nice way of saying there are usually only 2 power outlets in the whole room. Between phones, cameras, and tablets, that's a problem. But before you pack a power strip, don't. Most ships ban them because surge protectors can cause electrical fires. The smarter move? Bring a USB hub or a small power bank under 100 watts. They charge multiple devices safely without setting off alarms. Think of it this way. You don't just need power, you need smart power. Charge smarter than the ship itself. But when your devices die, timing becomes everything, especially at mealtime. Eat like royalty. Buffets and dining halls run like clockwork, waves of hungry passengers all moving around. Show up at the wrong time and you're stuck with long lines, loud crowds, and lukewarm food. The trick? Go early or late. Breakfast hits between 7 and 8 a.m., dinner around 5:30 or after 8. And that's when the food's freshest and the service slows down enough to feel personal. Want a real secret? Eat when the crew eats. They know exactly when the kitchen's at its best. Do that and every meal feels like a 5-star experience without chaos. Because the real feast isn't on the menu, it's hidden where most never look. Hidden free dining spots. Most passengers stick to the same few restaurants and miss out on the ship's secret food gold mines. Late-night pizza counters, hidden delis, and unlisted pasta stations are tucked away on almost every deck. Even room service breakfast, at least the continental one, is often free, but nobody tells you that. Want to find the real treasures? Ask the crew where they eat. Long after the buffet close, they are aware of every secret location that offers hot, fresh food. You'll skip the crowds, discover new flavors, and eat like a cruise insider without spending a cent extra. But food isn't the only thing the crew keeps quiet about. Your best upgrades depend on them too. The crew connection advantage. Here's the one no cruise blog dares to mention. The real power on a ship lies with the crew, not the captain. From bartenders to cleaners, they know every loophole, every hidden perk, and every unlisted upgrade. Treat them well, not with fake charm, but genuine respect. You can gain access to exclusive events, quiet decks, and even insider lunches with a tiny early tip. And a decent discussion. It's not manipulation, it's humanity. On a ship that runs on routine, kindness still bends the rules. Still, even the crews can't outsmart the cruise's line's biggest illusion. The sold-out room secret. Ever see a fully booked ship suddenly open rooms a few days before departure? That's not luck, it's strategy. When sales slow, cruise lines frequently release rooms at steep discounts after holding them back to create false demand. Hack? Wait until the final payment deadline, usually 60 to 90 days before sailing. That's when unsold rooms flood the system, and you can snag luxury cabins for half the price. The trick is timing, not loyalty. Cruise lines may hide the truth, but now you know how to sail smarter than ever. Hit like and subscribe for more secrets they don't want you to know.